Let's open Sublime Text and drag and drop the three files test case 1, test case 2, and testsuite.py into Sublime Text. Now, test case 1 contains one test that waits for the checkout photos button, and test case 2 contains one test as well that waits for the search field. Now, how do you put these two test cases into a test suite? Open testsuite.py, and first we need to import the unit test module and the different test cases. And second, we need to create the test suite by inheriting the test suite class. And finally, we need to create a test suite object, here it's named suite, and add the different tests into that suite object and return the suite object. Now let's run this test. And you can see that the two tests ran successfully. We have created this test suite by manually adding the different tests into the test suite. Just think about a case scenario where we have hundreds or thousands of tests. That would be really painful to do. This is where Nose comes in. Nose can automatically add our tests into a test suite, but the only requirement is that we name our tests following a certain naming convention. We will talk about Nose later, but for now, let's just focus on the WebDriver API.